Hi, welcome back to Hostbox cse channel and back to the tutorial for operating system tutorial. So this is a tutorial we're going to see the topic called LRU replacement algorithm. The previous session I came about what is FIO and so on. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for whoever want to crack the exam like GATE UGC and also want to strong in the fundamentals of operating system. Let's go for session today. That is least recently used page replacement algorithm. Please kindly check the playlist whenever want to the continuation of the video session and so on. So LRU, the name itself that is recently used one. So this let's assume that there will be a page frame by default. I say with example, and there will be a page there will be page number requested by the program like that. So let's see what will happen with the real time example. So I use the marker here. I use the different colors. I use highlight pointer here. Here first of all 7 is there. 7, let's check in the page frame. 7 is not there, so we are inserting the 7. So by default page fault. What is page fault? Whenever the program requires some number, some page here, that page not available in the RAM, that is called the page fault. Suppose available means that is called hit or hit rate. That's there will be a place, so then we can enter the 0 here. So 7 is a 0 is a, then we can enter the 1 here. 7 followed by 0, then 1. This also page fault because what are the program requesting the page that is not available in the RAM here. So let's assume only. Now there will be the pages are filled here, so there is no place. Now we have to remove LRU concept. No, so from right to left we check which ones remove means recently used means that's we see. So 7 is a recently used one. 777 coming. No, so we can replace 7 and right option we see. You can replace the 7 and insert the 2 now. So we can insert the 2. I made it color. Then the remaining are same. 0 is there, 1 is there. Now again we have to insert the 0, but thing is here 2 is there followed by 0 and 1. Now you can say hit. Why we say hit? Because whatever the program requesting here 0 that already available in the RAM here. So H already this is called hit. Whenever not means that represent the hit rate only. So 201 is there. Now we'll have again now we have time to replace. You have to insert the 3 here. How it's insert means there will be a concept of LRU right to left only. So again 203 is there. So what you can do means we can now again 0 you can insert 203. So which one is replaced means you can replace it 2 here because recently used here. Then 4 will be there. We can replace it 4. Then 0 same and 3 will be same like that. Now which element you can say? Now we have to insert 2. Again left to right, which is least recently used means the element called 3. So 3 will be removed here and we can replace with the 2 the element. So 4 followed by 0 and 2 will be the following, because all are these all are kind of commutative of page fault only, because whatever the page number requested by the program that is not available in the RAM here page frame also. Then what is there? 4 is there. Again follow 4 is there. 3, then which one is replacement? 3 you have to insert. So which is replacement? 0 is replaced. Least recently used. So 0 will be replaced with 3 here and followed by 2 same. So here also page fault. And again what is there? We can insert 0. How can insert? Again we check from here. So 4 will be replaced. Remember. So 4 will be replaced. Least recently 4 will be replaced and 0 will be there and followed by 3 and 2 here. Now again what you had set 3, but by luckily already 0 is there followed by 3, 2 is there. This is called page hit. So this is called page hit. And again what you have to insert 2. 2 also already is there. So 0 followed by 3 and there will be a 2. So this is also converted to get a hit here. So simple ADC. Then what is it? We have to insert 1. So again go back here, which is a least recent used here means 3 is sorry, which is least recent used means 0 0. So 0 will be removed and 1 will be inserted here. Replace it with 1 and remaining are same followed by 3 and followed by 2 here. At last this also page fault. At last what is the 2 is there. So which is recently used means we check it here from right to left at finalize here. So after finalizing it followed by 1, 3 and 2 here at last. So 2 is there by default 2. Here it will be 2, again 2 is there. So totally this also hit only, because whatever the program requesting is available here. So total how many hit here out of 15 frames? Out of 15 base 1, here also 2 only. Okay, hit only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hit rate and 10 page fault is there. So 10 page fault and 5 page hit is there. So this all about LRE, very simple only. So we have to replace with the least recently used one from right to left, again from left to right, from the right to left, again right to left, again right to left, and so on. So if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and enjoy it. Thank you.